Okay, guys, we're going to do the check your understanding on page 326. Okay. Computer company makes desktop and laptop computers at factories in 3 states: California, Texas, and New York. The California factory produces 40%, Texas 25%, and 35% in New York. Of the computers in California, 75% are laptops, and of those made in Texas and New York, you got 70 and 50 respectively are laptops. All computers are first shipped to a distribution center in Missouri before being sent out. Suppose we select a computer at random from the distribution center. First thing we have to do is construct a tree. Anytime you kind of have like one thing and then something else, you should always do a tree. So we're going to start our tree with our factory locations. Okay. So here we have, let's see, we've got, what is it? California, Texas, and New York. 40% are from California. Texas makes 25%, and New York makes 35%. This should add up to be 1. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these probabilities add up to be 1. So what's the chance that a randomly selected computer is from California? 40% chance. Okay. Now, of the California ones, it said 75% are laptops. Okay, which means 25% are desktops. Of the computers from Texas, where am I? Texas is 70% laptops, 30% desktops. And then in New York, what is it, 50-50? 50% laptops, 50% desktops. Okay. These won't all add up to be 1. These will be 1, this will be 1, and this will be 1. Now, so all our computers, they either have to be a laptop or a desktop, and they have to be from one of the 3 factories. Yeah. So if you want to know the probability that a computer is from California and a laptop, you just multiply those two. California and a desktop, Texas and a laptop, Texas and a desktop, and so forth. Okay. So the probability, give me a second to write these out. I'm going to abbreviate. So probability of California and desktop. Let's see. I know probability of Texas.
Why are you not doing the line?
Because it's off the line. Probability of Texas and a desktop. Probability of New York and a laptop. And probability of New York and a desktop. So all I have to do is multiply all these. Oh.
No.
Who is that? Is that me?
They're still going on.
That's fine, I don't care. Okay, I already pre-calculated these. And of course, check my math, people. Make sure I'm not making a mistake. Okay, all these probabilities will add up to be 1, okay? Because a laptop or a desktop has to be from one of these 3 locations, okay? So there's our tree for number 1. Number 2 says, find the probability that a computer is a laptop. So we basically want to know what's the probability a computer is a laptop. It doesn't matter where it's from, so we just got to go and do all the laptops. So I'm going to want all 3 of these probabilities, and I just add them up. Now, the book says show your work. If I have a tree, I've got most of my work, okay? So what I would probably do here is, so California laptops are 0.4 times 0.75. Texas laptops are 0.25 times 0.7, and New York laptops are 0.35 times 0.5. And if I just add those all up, I'm going to get my probability of a laptop. So if I choose a computer at random, there's about a 65% chance that it's a laptop, okay? And again, sorry, let me turn my phone off. Okay. Anyway, which means there's what? 35% chance as a desktop. So I bet if I added these up, I would have 35% chance. Okay, my desktop numbers. Okay, number 3 says, given, go on down here so you can see what I'm writing. Given that a laptop is selected, so this is a conditional, the given is that it's a laptop, what is the probability that's made in California? You don't have to go to the book, just come up here. No, that's California and a laptop. This is if I choose a laptop, what's the probability it came from California? So this is a conditional. Okay, the condition is it's a laptop, and I want to know the probability it came from California. So our formula for conditional is the probability of California and laptop over the probability of the condition. Well, don't I have California and laptop? Yep. So 0.4 times 0.75 over, don't I have probability of a laptop? Good, 0.65. Throw that in the calculator and I get 0.462. Zoom out a little bit. So there's about a 46% chance that if I grab a laptop, it's from California. Okay? Thanks a lot. See you next time. Bye.